Hey boys, hope you guys are fine and doing very good trading. Look here, in this video showing MT5 trading terminal of laptop and also of mobile phone. You guys can see here's the signal which just popped up. Crash 300 index. We opened trades and waiting for a spike. This is very smooth, very easy to follow, very simple to follow, and very easy to understand system. As you guys can see, the system dropped the signal and we placed multiple trades waiting for spike. The stop loss will be 3 candles, as many times told you in previous videos. Look here guys, the spiked and we are in profit, as you guys can see. Thanks for watching. Check the description and chat with us.